What is going on with you, YouTube? This is Dave from Tech Refresh coming at you with another video. Today, we're looking at the Ghostek Exec Wallet Case for the Pixel 6 Pro. I used this for a couple days. I'm gonna just throw this out here right away. Wallet cases really aren't my jam. I'm not a big fan of wallet cases, but Ghostek sent this over, so yeah, I definitely had to use it. One thing I want to say, get active in the comments. Let me know what your opinions are on wallet cases. Do you guys like them or not so much like myself? All right, man. So this case is $29 on Amazon. I want to say, yeah, $29. They sent me over the cloudy gray. And I can say, if you're into wallet cases, this is a very good case. Link to the case will be in the description. All right, let's snap it in and I'll show you. This case has quite a few intangibles. It's not just this leather wallet strapped to it. So let's snap it in and we'll look at the intangibles of this case. Ooh, that's a clean snap. That was satisfying. All right, so let's start. Usual suspects, nothing surprising down here. USB-C, speaker grill. The corners are raised. The little bumps on the corners for that impact protection. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there are little bumpers on the corners. Then you're coming along the side with some abrasive grip, but when you're holding this case, you know it. It's in your hand. This has some pretty good grip on the sides. So that's one thing that I really like in phones. When a case provides grip, Ghostek does that. Coming along, you have the bumpers. You could see the bumpers here, the little bunny ears cut out for the noise canceling mic. Coming along the sides, power button is perfect. Volume rockers are perfect. You're not going to have any issues with the buttons there. If you can notice, there is the two-tone gray and black. Looks good. More grip along the sides. This is where the case there's a lot going on here. You got some Ghostek branding down here. You have this leather 4-card detachable wallet. 4-card detachable wallet. I got my cards. I will talk about the wallet. You could snap it on and off. Here you go. We'll snap it off to get a better look at the case. This case has a lot of different materials. This is like this gray and this black is this soft touch, feels really good in the hand material. Then you have like some hard plastic back here. And then of course, you know, the camera's going to be protected. These Pixel 6 cases are not playing with this camera visor. They're always deeply recessed in there. So you're not going to have any issues with that big camera visor. Then where this case does take off, coming along the front, you get a lot of protection. One, you get protection top, bottom, and sides, which is not easy to do on a curved display phone, but it does have protection on the sides. One thing I'll say about this case is this case fits probably better than any case I've used. Like it's actually a little difficult to get the phone out. It is a tight, sturdy fit, and I am never mad at that. So let's talk about this wallet. It's a fairly simple wallet. Look, I have 4 cards in here. You could put 5, maybe even 6. I want to say 5 is really the max of what I thought was comfortable. And it's easy. You just pull them out and then pull it back open, stick them in. There's nothing complicated about it. Look, to use the phone without the wallet, to use the case, I really wouldn't suggest it. I tried, but it has this little piece where it snaps in right here. That's kind of abrasive on the hand. It just doesn't, things don't feel right when you don't have the wallet on there. And it snaps on very easy, like that. Snaps off very easy. Never feels like it's going to fall off. Okay, as I'm struggling, but it snaps on easy. You can hear the click once you get it on, and there's no issue with it coming off. Now, for me, having a wallet case on my phone is just a little cumbersome. When I'm using a phone, for me, there's too much going on in the back of the phone to use this every day and feel comfortable. Now, like an outing, club night, bar night, Vegas, maybe even theme park, yes. It's a great idea. I mean, I have a Ridge wallet, so the imprint of my wallet is not very big, so it doesn't bother me to carry around a wallet with my phone. But this is very convenient. The only thing I don't like is if I lose my phone, I lose my wallet. I don't know. I don't know why that bothers me. And that's why I'm not big on wallet cases, but get active. Let me know what you guys think about wallet cases. I can say, if you're in the market for a wallet case, for the Pixel 6 Pro, I doubt you're going to find a better one. One, You got colors to choose from, which is not common with the Pixel 6 Pro. So let's take a look. You have gray, sort of pink, and Stormy black. So that's already a win because, you know, it's not just black like most cases. And then 2, the protection, the fit, the extra protection, drop protection on the corners. You got the grip, recessed camera, and you got a wallet on the back. If you're into wallet cases, this is probably what it's going to be for you. Get active in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.